Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our chapter number 13, Statistics, Exercise 13.1. We are in our 6th problem. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households. What is this table? This table shows the daily expenditure on food of some households. 25 households, they have done this data. In a locality, find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. They have collected the household data from 25 members. Okay, so what is this problem? It shows the daily expenditure of food by 25 households was given for us. We need to calculate the mean by any suitable method. We know three methods: direct, assumed, step, deviation. Which method you feel suitable, you can go with it. Okay, you can see this data in two rows. Now, I am going to write that two rows in answer as first two columns. Okay, see the first column, daily expenditure in rupees. Number of households, always number of households we consider it as a frequency Fi. 4 houses spend food expenditure 100 to 150 rupees. 5 families spend 150 to 200 rupees for food. 12 families 200 to 250 rupees. 2 families spend 250 to 300 rupees. 2 families spend 300 to 350 rupees as their daily food expenditure. We need to calculate mean for the given data. Let's find out sum of the frequency and write summation Fi. Let's start adding. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 1 plus 1, 2. Summation Fi is equal to 25. First column, find the score or a class mark. Class mark is equal to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Lower limit 100, upper limit 150. 100 plus 150, it will be 250. 250 by 2, it will be 125. If you want, you can check it out. 250 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Similarly, you can go here. 150 and 200, you can add this, divide by 2. You are going to get 175. Next, 225. 275. 325. Next step. First method, if you want to proceed, you need summation Fi, Xi. So let us multiply Fi and Xi. 4 into 125. Let's do the calculation part here. 125 4s are 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 10, 500. 125 4s are 500. Write in Fi, Xi column. Now multiply this one. 175 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. 875. 12 into 225. 225 into 12. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 2s are 4. And again 225, if you add 5 plus 5, 10, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 2700. 2700. Next, 2 into 275. 275 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 15, 2 2s are 4, 5. 550. And your last row 2 into 325. 325 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 5. 3 2s are 6. It is 650. Find out summation Fi Xi. Means you need to add the column. Write here summation Fi Xi. Let's start adding. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. And next 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore, summation Fi Xi is equal to 5275. Apply direct method formula. Summation Fi Xi by summation Fi. Mean X bar is equal to summation Fi Xi by summation Fi. What is summation Fi Xi? 5275 by sigma Fi value is 25. Let's cancel now. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 0. 5 5s are 25. And again 25 is left. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Therefore, your answer is 211 is the mean value for this problem. Mean means it is a food expenditure of a household. It is an average food expenditure of a household per a day. Next method, it is assumed mean method. Before starting this method, we are going to assume a value. Where we need to assume? In scores. Middle score we are going to assume it as A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, what is the middle number? Third one, right? Mark this as A. With the pencil, make a round. DI, deviation, Xi minus A. That is 125 minus 225. 125 minus 225 is how much? Minus 100. Next, 175 minus 225. It will be minus 50. Next, 225 minus 225. 0. 275 minus 225. 50. 325 minus 225. It will be 100. You need to find out FIDI column. What we are going to do? Frequency. This is the frequency into DI. You need to multiply. FIDI I need to multiply. Now multiply 4 into minus 100 minus 400. Next one. 5 into minus 50 minus 250. 12 into 0. 0. 2 into 50. 100. 2 into 100. 200. Okay. Now add this. 200 plus 100 will be 300. Minus 400 minus 250. It will be minus 650. In minus 650, if you remove 300, suppose 200 plus 100 is 300 minus 250 minus 400 will be minus 650. 300 minus 650 will be summation FIDI is equal to minus 350. Apply this in assumed method. Assumed mean method formula. X bar is equal to A plus summation Fi di by summation Fi. A value is how much there? 225. 225 plus summation Fi di value is minus 350 by 25. Now, if you want, you can cancel directly. 5 5s are, and this one is 5 7s are 35. 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. Plus into minus, minus. 225 minus 14. It will be 211 is your answer. Mean in direct method you got 211, and in assumed method also 211 you got. Let's go with the third method, step deviation method. We need to calculate UI. UI means xi minus a by h. UI minus a already there. What does h? H is the class size. How we are going to get? Upper limit minus lower limit. 150 minus 100 is 50. Right here, a is equal to 225. H is equal to 50. Xi minus a minus 100 by 50. It will be minus 2. Minus 50 by 50. Minus 1. 0 by 50. 0. 50 by 50. 1. 100 by 50. 2. Next column, Fi UI. 4 into minus 2. Minus 8. 5 into minus 1. Minus 5. 12 into 0. 0. 2 into 1. 2. 2 into 2. 4. Now add all this. 4 plus 2. 6. 6 minus 5. 1. Minus 8 plus 1 will be minus 7. Summation Fi UI is equal to minus 7. See step deviation formula. X bar is equal to a plus summation Fi UI by summation Fi into h. Apply here. A value is 225. Summation Fi UI is minus 7 by 25 into 50. 25 twos are 50. 225, 7 twos are 14. Plus into minus, minus 14. That is equal to 211. So finally, you can compare all the three methods. We got same answer. That is 211. Therefore, the mean daily expenditure on food is rupees 211. Average food expenditure per day is rupees 211. Let's see the seventh problem. To find out the concentration of SO2. What is SO2? Sulfur dioxide. SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. What is our problem deals with? Our problem deals with the concentration of sulfur dioxide in air. They have collected this data from certain cities and they have given the data in the form of a 2 rows they have given. We have written in 2 columns. Concentration of sulfur dioxide in ppm. What is ppm? Parts per million. 0.00 to 0.04. What is the frequency? 4 cities. 4 cities contain 0.00 to 0.04. So let us assume this as a frequency Fi. 9 cities 0.04 to 0.08. 9 cities 0.08 to 0.12. 2 2 places 0.12 to 0.16, 4 cities 0.16 to 0.20, 2 places 0.20 to 0.24. Like this, they have given a data. What we need to do? We need to calculate the mean concentration of sulfur dioxide in air, that is SO2 in air. We should find the sum of the frequencies and say summation Fi. Let's add this. 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 2, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 2 will be 30. Okay, they have collected this data from some 30 places. XI. What is XI? Score or class mark. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0.00, 0.04 if you add, 0.04 will be there. Divide by 2, 0.02. Similarly, add this 0.04 and 0.08 if you add, what happens? 0.12. 0.12 divide by 2, 0.06. Similarly, next one 0.10 and here 0.14 and next 0.18, 0.22. This is the class mark. Next step, we are going to start with the direct method. We need to calculate by direct method. Fi you know, Xi you know, multiply Fi, Xi. Let's start multiplying these two. 4 into 0.02. It will be 0.08. Next, 9 into 0.06. 0.54. Next one, 9 into 0.10. 0.90. 2 into 0.14. 0.28. 4 into 0.18. 0.72. 2 into 0.22. 0.44. Okay. Now add this column, summation Fi, Xi. Summation Fi, Xi. Add all this. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 22, 26. And 2 here. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 18, 25, 29. And here it is 2.96. Summation Fi, Xi value is 2.96. Apply in direct method formula. X bar is equal to summation Fi, Xi by summation Fi. That is 2.96 by 30. 2.96 by 30. Now remove this decimal. 296 by 3000. Okay, so easy to calculate. I was showing here. 296 by 3 into 1 by 1000. So now cancel this one. 3 nines are 27. Then again 26 you have. 3 eights are 24. Now this one 98 by 1000. How can you write this? 0.098. 3 zeros. Bring it up. After 3 numbers, you need to put decimal point. Only 2 digits are there. So take 0 and put a decimal point. That is 0.098. Approximate 0.98 there. You can write it as 0.099 also. Let's go with the next method, assumed method. For this method, we need to find assumed value. See the middle one here. Oh, you have 6 values. Then which value you are going to take? Let's see here carefully. I may take, actually have to find the assumed value, Frequency, you need to add cumulative frequency and that cumulative frequency total score by 2 you do. Where you get that cumulative frequency, that score we consider it as A. But now we are not doing like that. So directly we are just guessing the middle value. Here you can see the frequency is more. So I may choose score here, this one. Instead of choosing this, I go with 0.10. What is your assume? Any value you can assume. Little point difference you may get, nothing happens. A value as 0.10. Write it here. A is equal to 0.10. Now di is equal to xi minus A. Xi 0.02 minus 0.10. Subtract this minus 0.08 you are going to get. Next 0.06 minus 0.10 minus 0.04. 0.10 minus 0.10 will be 0. 0.14 minus 0.10, it will be 0.04. 0.18 minus 0.10, 0.08. 0.22 minus 0.10, 0.12. Deviation is completed. Now multiply frequency into deviation. F, D. Multiply 4 into minus 0.08. That will be minus 0.32. Next, 9 into minus 0.04. Minus 0.36. 9 into 0, 0. 2 into 0.04, 0.08. 4 into 0.08, 0.32. 2 into 0.12, 0.24. Add all these 3 add, and these 2 you add, subtract. Let's add these 3. What you are going to get? 4, 5, 6. 14, 6. 0.64 minus. Add these 2. 0.68. 0.64 minus 0.68 will be summation Fi di is equal to minus 0.04 is your answer. Minus 0.04. Apply in the formula. Assumed mean method x bar is equal to a plus summation Fi di by summation Fi. That is equal to a value is 0.10 plus 0. Minus of 0.04 by 30. That will be, you may rewrite this as 10 by 100 minus 4 by 3000. Look here carefully. Plus into minus, minus 0.04. You can write it as 4 by 100. 4 by 100 into 30, it will be 3000. Now look carefully, it is easy to cancel. Now it will be 1 by 10 will be left. And here, you cannot cancel here. So let me do LCM. 3000 and above 300 minus 4. That will be 296 by 3 into 1 by 1000. So again, same manner. Here what you got? There also you get the same answer, 0.08. Once again, see the calculation. Any way you can do calculation. I have removed decimal. I have converted decimal into fraction. 0.10, 10 by 100, plus into minus, minus 4 by 0.04, I rewrite it as 4 by 100, 30 into 100, 3000. Do LCM, you get 296 by 3000. Take 1 by 1000 aside, do the cancellation and then put the decimal point. That is how much? 0.098, or approximately you can take 0.99 also. Let's see the last method, step deviation method. We should know about the class size. Find the class size H. 0.04 minus 0.00. It will be 0.04 only. Therefore, H is equal to 0.04. Now, find Fi, Ui. Ui is what? Xi minus A by H. This one 0.08 by minus 0.08 by 0.04. That will be minus 2. Next one minus 0.04 by 0.04. It will be minus 1. 0 by anything, 0. 0.04 by 0.04. It will be 1. 0.08 by 0.04. 4 2s are 2. 0.12 by 0.04. 3. Okay. Now multiply F and U. Fi and Ui. 4 into minus 2. Minus 8. 9 into minus 1. Minus 9. 9 into 0. 0. 2 into 1. 2. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. Add all this. 8 cancel if you see. 6 7 8. Minus 9 plus 8 will be minus 1. Summation Fi Ui is equal to minus 1. Substitute in the formula. A value. What is assumed value here? 0.10 plus summation Fi Ui is minus 1 by 30. Minus 1 by 30 into 0.04. Now this one, look here carefully, 10 by 100 minus. This one, if you convert, what happens? 4 by 100. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 4, 4. 3, 30 into 100, 3000. 10 minus 4. Let's do the LCM here. 3000. 100 already there. So, what we need to multiply here? 30. 30 into 10. 300 minus 4. It will be 296 by 3000. Look here, 296 by 3000, how much? 0.098 ppm is your answer. Therefore, in all the three methods, we got the same answer, that is 0.098 or approximate 0.099 also. Okay, what is this? This is a concentration of sulfur dioxide present in air. This is a mean concentration of sulfur dioxide present in air is 0.098 parts per million, or you can say ppm. With this, we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to continue with the last two problems of this exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.